Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Seafile on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video, it will be up and running, ready for you to use.
mivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
First, let's install the required dependencies using the following command. Next, create a k-rings directory and unload the docker-gpg key with the next command. Now set the correct permission for the gpg key and add the official Docker repository. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free months on all virtual services on our website. After that, update the package list and install the Docker components with this command. Enable and start the Docker services using this command. Now let's move on to setting up the Seafile project. Create a project folder and navigate into it. Next, create the configuration file and update the following lines. Once you've saved the configuration file, go ahead and start the container. Finally, open your web browser and go to your address you specified in the config file. Log in and you're ready to go. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching mivoCloud.